Hello everyone. Today, finally, Valentine's event. I've been waiting for forever, but still no gladiator. Please, gladiator. Valentine's skins. So, we got... Yeah, I can afford it. We're doing an unboxing. My savings, my wallet. I've been saving up my money, but I don't care. Okay. What do I get? I get Commander, baby. That looks like nothing like Valentine's, but we're definitely gonna join. I watched like a couple seconds of John Roblox's video, and then I'm like, I'm out. Okay. So, I have the Milton skin. I'm literally shaking. I've been waiting for them so long. Bye-bye, you know, like Holiday Commander, whatever it's called. I'm putting on this Commander, baby, yeah. So, kids, I have Twitter now. I'm not gonna plug it. I'll probably plug it, in its own video. Sorry if I sound like, it's because I've been waiting for this for a while. Oh, it didn't. What? Please always the score thing update. I beat it. Okay. We got barely anything to really grind. Let's look in newsfeed. Heartbreak Engineer. I wish I can get it. I'm getting Robux soon. I'm not sure if I should get it. Okay. I'll buy. Wait, let me see what's in there. This is like a review thing. I am overly excited. I cannot, wait. Is that an accelerator? I do not condone gambling on this channel, which I'm just gonna... I accidentally bought another one. My wallet. Okay. I'm standing up. Are you ready to rumble? I hit my life. So if I can buy my coins back for $1. Okay. I'm dying inside right now. Yeah, at least I got a drip skin. Yeah, let's go. I have medic. I have no skins for medic. Medic skin, it's kind of drip. What was the other skin I got? I forgot. Don't tell me I forgot. Are you kidding me? They brought the skins back. You know what? This is the content, okay. I'm not okay, I'm not okay, I'm not okay. Let's confirm, this one is the one that has accelerator. Yes. I want Sledger so bad. I want so much stuff. I want it. Please. What does this have? Okay, I'm spending my last one on this. I want the Cupid accelerator. I hope this ends out where it's supposed to be. Hey! It's a skin. I only bought one. How much did I buy on these? Okay. I like the animation first. Good job, Paradox Games. Oh no. Okay, did I already buy 2? I forget how much. Oh, I bought 3! I bought 3! Okay. No. I'm literally gonna. I'm not okay. Please. Yeah! Woo! Okay. I am ecstatic. It would have been cool to. Common. They're both good. I'll just do this one. Looks drippy. Forget which other ones I had. I mean, lovely. I have more. It would have been cool to I'm just glad I got Accelerator. I got an Accelerator. It's a good thing. Okay, so we got yeah, this video is just me like being surprised. It's a good video. For a second I was like, wait, where's Soldier? I didn't know where Soldier was. I do not care. I wasted all my money. Thank you. Okay. This one? This one? This one? This one? Okay. So far I'll just do this one. I might check my line. What else was I? Sorry if I'm like kind of annoying. Excuse me. Aren't about on Twitter. What a savings. This one actually pretty good. I did wish I would bring back Gladiator. Yeah. Please bring back Gladiator. I know I complain about it every video. But I don't care. I still want it. This was the video. Please like the video and subscribe. I lost all my life savings. Now I'm gonna spend all my Robux to get coins.